Functions. Words also functioning as conjunctions. Batak makes sparing use of words that place sentences in relationship to each other. There are, therefore, but few words that occur solely as conjunctions, e.g., I, which has already been shown to function as an adverb 158:19, is also a conjunction of which the translation is for because, e.g., ila tumpala pasuani diho I sudi BG IBP 151 113 FP. She can't get angry with you because she can't hear it. See 105 more another simple. A preposition can also connect two sentences where we will use either conjunction or simply two clauses, e.g. di bagasani hamima, di bagasani hamina makata goraon na sojadi magbaranape hamuna BP 226 113. While we are discussing arbitrating this conflict, it is improper for you to continue caroling. In such cases, it's unusual to place the subject hami first and for it to be defined by an adjectival clause, nama kata, etc. CF 155. Ala 160 1A without ni can also function as a conjunction, e.g. ala adong hata nalilu ABP 289 16 FB. Because there is a wrong word, etc. Mate ang kita dison ala dipangan pagbuhay ni turi-turi malam. ABP 105:15 FB. Here my younger brother died because he ate the fruit of turi-turi malam. CF also ABP 175:112. That as a conjunction with which we make a clause function as a substantive is rendered by the pronoun a by the pronoun na 155 but this can also be omitted, e.g. DP Mayarodo Lidoli to Lapuna IBP 1B Sidrems that a young man who came to her Paboa Ma Dibana Lahi Donatubui tells him that it is a son that has been born. The conjunction if, when introducing a substantive clause, is rendered by na 155 is the predicate stands first in the clause. If, however, the subject stands first, na drops out and is replaced by do, which follows the subject, e.g. madukun sobaun hamido nina na puna hauma ABP 293:18 in order to ask the somebound if, according to him, we have a claim on this field. Barang can also be used as a conjunction in an interrogative sentence preceding the interrogative 147. As a conjunction, it can also connect substantives, e.g. anak na barang baru na si dictionary. When the conjunction introduces a dependent clause, the word order of the clause is the same as it would be in an independent clause. The relationship between two clauses can perhaps be most clearly seen when a special word is used for expressing a negative 153, e.g. in Iseho Sowada Uboto, I don't know who you are. Sowada indicates that Iseho is a dependent clause, where the usual negative in the 153 3C used then barang would have to precede the interrogative ise and the dependent clause would have to follow it, e.g. inda dong huboto barang iseho. Similarly, dibuat biguaha so huboto ABP 91:12 FP. I don't know by what thing it has been taken away. CF 163:6. Sawada is to be found at the beginning of a main clause that follows a conditional clause. It is then translated by then not, e.g. if the datu does not hear the dead playing of the pipes. Sawada olo be maktubun na mati nun. ABP 254:11. Then this death will probably not be avenged. The use of identical words in clauses following each other can also place the clause in relation to each other, e.g. DC Lomorohaku Mijo, DC Mijo ABP 170 to 113 FP. When I wish to come down, I'll come down. jadi mas ningon jadi do tutu 158 2. When the main clause begins with psi, the sign need not be repeated for an example C 158 3b. Sada, or a substantive with the prefix sa, is repeated when two things are contrasted by a different predicate, e.g. sada tio, sada litok, sada di siya bigang, sada di siya mun, ABP 70M. The one cat was clear, the other turbid, the one was on the left, the other on the right. Contrast is sometimes emphasized by placing na before the substantive. Nasa harap ABP 138, 117, 110. Another means of defining a subordinate clause is by means of the third passive, e.g. Sinuri mababa 115.3, liupat patung ngoripot, etc. 115.3 niultok di balian nin napidong ABP 211.14. If he said the suit outside with a blow pipe at the bird, this construction is then equivalent to an inverted word order in the conditional clause without a conjunction as English had he come, etc. Often the reader or a listener is there to guess the connection between two clauses. For example, when a lie is omitted in either do or ma only is placed after the predicate of the adversative clause. See examples in 106 and 158. 5. The pronoun na often has the force of a conjunction without, however, it being possible to determine which conjunction should be used to interpret it, e.g. Ahamagara hututu di hamuna na pokos tuwa ABP 219.112. What must I in fact pay you? For I am poor, the one who is poor am I. Na olo sodot goramu naon upa sodot hami ABP 255.1 FP. If the method causing the conflict between you can be brought to an end, we shall bring it to an end. Na suwada gagaru na pediho ABP 217.17 FB. But I can't pay you yet. See the samples in 150, 2 and 7. A contrast between two clauses is expressed by the subject of the second preceding the predicate, whereas the subject stands after the predicate in the preceding clause, e.g. Bo ni jol madui at hita bigu ABP 10.8 FP, that what is a daughter of a human being, but we are spirits. This construction is used when the second clause has a different predicate for the first, but which does not literally the fact stated by the first. Some adverbs can introduce a main clause 153b, and as such lost this original meaning. Another such adverb is pitog 155, which often introduce a main clause that follows dung ni 157 or another preceding temporal clause, e.g. Dungni pitogodok do panailina ABP 315 AB. After that, her eyes were cast down. A easy glance down in consternation. In this example, asa could have been used instead of pitog as a PS form ABP 4113 FB. Mandigo is used and ad nauseam. Mandigo is used ad nauseam with the same meaning ABP 220, 11, 13, 16, and 21. Mamito is the reason, mentor dari K2. Another conjunctive adverb is dung, and its variance 157, because it not only introduces a preceding clause that often followed by a main clause introduced by asa 164, but also acquires the meaning of after, before as following clause, e.g. Tunggu di hutan ni nanai ABP 151.16. After he had arrived his mother's village, see also ABP 511 P9119 FB. It is also practicable to state any fixed rules regarding the use of conjunctions of words or words concerning as such, because such words are often interchangeable. See article and asa. Special words. The words that as conjunctions deserve separate treatment are 1 dot 159 and 161. It connects substantives, e.g. Raja magpayung langit hape kuwagna di bayang damang do na dainang ABP 19.114. Raja Magpayong Langit. There is therefore the name is given to him by his father and mother. Buti manin na inanay dokot din na amanay ABP 28B. Thus spoke his mother and thus spoke his father. The verb is repeated before a substantive that occurs as the object, e.g. nungaroho manujungi jo mami do manujungi jo anak bi ABP 174B. You have come to look for your wife and your son. Though is not used as a conjunction for connecting sentences in which mention is made of consecutive acts, because sentences follow each other without a conjunction, e.g. Indilah pagajai mabadaki dibuat mahati-hati na ABP 117B. The priest cut open the rhinoceros and took out its heart. Lau mapaduday tu bagas di pabua maturajay ABP 121B. The person who had been pounding the rice went home and told it to the prince. CF ABP 129 120FB. When the hot is used in such sentences, it is an adverb, e.g. Roma haba-haba, Roma dohot as Tomaros and rain come to. ABP 91 114FB, P126 14FB, P127 114FB. Though as a verb means to accompany before another verb, it means also to, and as a predicate, it can be separated from that verb, e.g. Molau ho dohot doau, molomate ho dohot domate, molomanguru ho dohot mau manguru. ABP 137 114. If you go, I go too. If you die, I die too. If you live, may I live too. The other verb besides as a predicate, then dohot is again as a verb, e.g. sonang madohot pagosi dohot net dohot ABP 38 15FB. The musicians and also the car stop. Barang 162 is used as a disjunctive conjunction. So what is used to express neither nor. 153. Alive but express. Example C 158 5. It is often omitted. 162. Another word can also be substituted for it. 158 17. The influence of Malay Eckhart for the use of type is CFM and D. CF Mandailing and Diary below 11 umbayan. This really an active verb 63B, which as a preposition governs the sentences following, which often begins with na 155, e.g. dibayan suara di bottom madok song di imaw ban na hutaluhon, because he didn't know how to speak like that. That was the reason I vanquished him. In this example, it can be seen that na hutaluhon is the object of ubayan. Ubayan, when functioning as a conjunction, indicates a result, consequence, reason for, e.g. aha manani ulam ubayan naro hamutuhu tahun CF abis 217. What is the reason for your coming to this village? CF ABP 227 14FP. Molo ni duda naung masak ida ubayan na malala ABP 298 113. If one pounds that which has already been pounded, doesn't it become pop as a result? If ubayan introduces a pre-clause, P 189 169 must be used after the predicate, e.g. ubayan naro peami tuhu tamon na magtunggum mahami tuho. The reason that we come here to your village is to done you, in which example the coming is the consequence of the intention to brace for your payment. If such a payment umbayan can also be omitted, CF go pay out to son ABP 112FB with una ubayan na go pay ABP 227 12FB. The bayan 161, which is a passive, should really only indicate the cause, is also used as well as sumban, e.g. ahama ni ulamuna di bayan na go to hagbanganon ABP 134 14FB. What is it that you people want to know that you come to this gate? CFP 116 14FB.
na dibuksi doaw di bahin namate, he spared me as a consequence I died. At the present time, however, the bind indicates the cause as well as the consequence, e.g. molo di baini di bain na leleko tinggandoy. If that is the reason that you have stayed away for a long time, that it is alright. Ido na hudok di abu di bain roaw. That was I was wanted to say why I have come. Ido di bain na lelengaw ABP 98B. That is the reason that I have stayed away for a long time. Sometimes consequence is expressed by a sentence beginning with nunga 158 9, which is then placed at the beginning, e.g. nunga hanga ulaw nai di bay na nung habang Jolmanya itu kijang. His work on the field was unfinished because his wife has flown away to heaven. There's a good freedom in this kind of construction. For example, the subject can also be placed before ibahin, e.g. Ido ibana dibahin roll to short. ABP 35-1-13 FB. There is the reason that she is coming. Dibahin asa 48 is also used. Example 121-1. Asa also aso. It has various meanings, all of which can be reduced to an original which must have indicated sequence indicates purpose. Object is translated with in order that so that, e.g. sikang mababita sara asa tasiyat asa adong ikayunidahan warota tuhutan niya maktuam. ABP 5M drag one of our pigs over so that we can kill it, and so that there will beside this for the cooked rice to be taken by us to your uncle's village. In such cases, it is seldom replaced by the bayan na omitted, but an example patuturo namu kupamuna huida display Joseph so that I can see it. When a negative is used, it must be unang 164 before which asa can be omitted, e.g. Majogbing malabi si bolang di baba ni guangi unang guwal deki di si bolang turtle laid down across the opening of the cavity so that the fish could not come out. Dia may na ubay asa unang mga guta akining. Where is the thing that I must use to tie him up so that he does not suddenly jerk himself loose? Now ng ABP 27-1-15 is also used. The sequel of that which is mentioned in the preceding sentence. Hence, it often occurs when the pre-clause begins with dung 157 CF also 159-4, e.g. dung matugas emi asa tubuh mana di dalam laut. When the rice had become ripe, the word is the sea was born. Nung ni asa law mana sida magdaran ABP 177-17 FB. That being done, they set out on the journey. ABP 177-110, 121, P176-121 and 160 FE. The subject can be placed before asa, e.g. atik leleng augas asaro. Perhaps I shall be away a long time. 155 asa is often omitted, e.g. dung ni di tahap rajai mamuse datok raja bajute. ABP 159-17 FB. That being done, the prince again grappled with the RB. See also ABP 176-18 FB. Asa can be seen introduced a bend clause. It can be rendered with a comma. See also 152. Where asa is used with a comparative, it also indicates that something is to follow, e.g. dumaya na peutang na asa torop ni Yoruk 162-4, in which asa introduces what follows, namely torop ni Yoruk. With this meaning of something that follows, as also introduces a sentence which links up with the preceding one, though the letter need not be specifically stated, as must then be translated with so well then, e.g. asa gadong etc. 158-17. So one calls these things gadong. Aso nunga dibigi hamua liya manghata ni oputa magtua sobaon. ABP 294-1A. Well then, you have heard the words of our master, the Holy Sombaon. Asa can also be interpreted with this latter meaning when it is used at the beginning of something that is written out of a formula IBP1. The sentence so introduce the being of the circle to a presumed request, for example, to tell a story. Consequence, it is then identical with Umbayan and Libayan, but the sentence following does not begin with na, e.g. Ima asamati ibana. That was the reason that he died. CF 126-2. Also is used in the same way in a sentence after a question asking the reason for something, e.g. pagdihami asalo paumu panganoni 146-3a and 159-1. Consequence can also be expressed by jadi, e.g. jadi madabu maibana ABP 140-1-2, so that he fills CF ABP 181-120 and 111 FB. Less frequently does it express sequel ABP 80-1-4.
Sequel is also expressed by Lunga 163-3 dung ni manibung manasida tu halaman dialo nasida marsita pulan dunga sa ripas tu di nasida lonai ABP 183-15 FP. Thereupon they sprang onto the halaman and fought with swords against them, so that the opponents were continually being killed by them. CF ABP 182-112 and also 157. Molo, this is used conditionally, examples 158-12, and is often omitted, e.g. nunga sun tagduda, it is, etc. 100 in daung olo sun, ABP 225-16 FB. If this matter cannot be concluded, etc. Null is used. This is further proof that molo is really a verb 62 for ops, in which the meaning of olo 158-22 is implicit, e.g. nasa olo sodot pinasodot, nasa olo sun pinultopon koramuna or RBP 275M. If it is to come to an end, then let it be brought to an end. If it is not to come to an end, then let the affair proceed, i.e. let us start hostilities. CF another example on 315-1-3. Muda, also mula, can also be used in Mandarin and diary. See example in 151. In second conditional clause containing a contrast, so the conjunction is preceded either by HP 158-17 and RBP 54-17 FP, P55-13, or replaced by Anglo 165 in Poda. Jahasi dictionary, which must have come from Malay, is used. Foreign words are often used in Poda. ABP 4P182B for Nango C157. Mandarin frequently suppresses the conjunction, e.g. na mura manise iya say nahurang mura. When a rich man asked for her, it was always one who was not rich enough. Dibigay halak na nun, dibunuh halak maaw. ABP 212-16. By and by, when they hear it, they will kill me. Besides muda, Mandarin has mida knocked, which is also used dung in the sense of then after IBP 277-16 FB, P276-12 FB. Dung also muda, e.g. dung mate dainang di dia do tanoman na, IBP 46-113. If mother has died, where then is your grave? Dung ibu ruamu diau, ABP 130-113. If you have compassion for me, muda used with buse expresses the same thing as molotung 150-12. Thus in Toba, muda buruk halak buse dihamu, mulak kamu tuson, ABP 218-15. Should they become angry with you, return here. See also below 6M. Diary has muda tah molotung, ABP 82-17. Article 150-20. It expresses supposition, e.g. atik anak ni napogos biasa songoni tenggan niya bitna 122. Atik anak ni nagabe ibana biasa dolau tu gabaon, ABP 32-13. And CFP 273-17 and 15. The negative used with atik is unang 164 e.g. ati hunang di pabua hamuna adong binoto 158.23 atik can be omitted and na unang use e.g. na unang lomo haku di bana biasa upasobu go to gichangon ABP 3317 FB when the clause containing the supposition stands first. The main clause following is usually interrogative. When the clause containing the supposition stands after the main clause, the letter often begins with in the tung ABP 281.15 FB. It seldom begins with aso. E.g. atik na saut naking marupa hari-harai di bay kalak aso unang mateau ABP 295 M. If that victory had really been felt just now, then I would be dead. Atik is also used barang 147 e.g. atik joma mabuat suara dong hugoto ABP 91 B. I don't know if a human being has taken it. The equalization of atik with barang can be seen clearly in ABP 178 118 FP and P179 110. A weakened form of atik is aik or IXC dictionary, which, in order to indicate a great degree of probability, is used with tung after it, e.g. Haru masih panganon mahamuna, aik tunggo nanon lai munai, aik tung di pangan na maron hamuna, hurry up and finish eating. Your brother-in-law, the spirit, may come and may you eat you up. A suppositional conjunction is out, which also is followed by an interrogative main clause, e.g. out huboto basau sukun. If I know it, why then should I ask about it? CF 151 3 and P273 110. The negative use without and is again unang ni indang P273 113 and 165 or Naswad IBP 236 14 FB is sometimes used. Sura and Sura in CD dictionary also used. Mandarin can also use muda in the same way above 5, but then the clause following is interrogative, e.g. muda natutu do na didok kon mi si tolon natutu hami ida po mate hami. If what you said was the truth, then that we are prejudiced, then wouldn't we be dead? Karinian is also used. See 155 for an example. Ada is sometimes used. See the generic appendix. Usually it means perhaps IB 237 110 FB. See also a top and top in the dictionary. Dari uses Hakum 165 with Namukan. Here also the main clause is often interrogative 155. When the main clause is affirmative, kin 154. It also used in the subordinate clause, e.g. Hakum dibetohkin ngokono mengembalikan dirimu kembali tenggolan mada ngokono nemukan ni buat IBP 41 111 FP. Had they known that you had changed yourself into a tenggolan, they would not have taken you. The negative to be used is mada IBP 4219 FP. Hotsa. This is placed after the predicate in order to make a temporal clause, e.g. Bototsa erimuse laoma IBP 301T as soon as it had become night again. G when etc. Bakit tot sa iba na di bagas tibaid etc. IBP 315.13 as soon as he had climbed up to the house he placed etc. Sudah hotsa sebulan IBP 3719 as soon as a month had passed after Jonah had received Prince B Panula, then arrived a creditor etc. in an after clause with tung. Hotsa means after a conjunction, e.g. dukotsan di tadikot etc. IBP 241.16 FB and P 225.117. When with this meaning hotsa introduced an after clause with tung, it is a diarism. See an example in the dictionary of the hotsa to place between nasa and a substantive. Hotsa has a meaning that cannot be reconciled with that of time. The Mandarin uses hotcha, but with another meaning. See dictionary appendix. See also below
11M.
Dari Yuskon-Cadung 157 Dairi and IBP 6117P 17114FP. Kenca bagi di dung ni and is followed by a clause beginning with asa. Uses otherwise is as in Toba, e.g. pulung kenca bagi tahun roh ena IBP 5118. As soon as this year's rice has been harvested, e.g. muda lot kenca idah kono IBP 416FB. As soon as one is seen by you, etc. Kenca can be used twice. First dung and secondly as in Toba but in a after clause, e.g. kenca ideya kono kenca aku IBP 140 am. As soon as you will have sold me, you will gain by it. Jala or jana 34 it is copulative. When this conjunction is used, the subject or the predicate of the clause that is connected by it is different from that of the preceding clause, e.g. nagijang na bolon ibana jalan na bigong pamata na IBP 157 tall and heavy of build is he and black is his body. Lungami bosu nami jana mahabami mga juhud. We are satisfied points and we are stated with eating meat. Another example 158 9 and IBP 140 117 and 120 FB. Jala is repeated in sentences following on each other, e.g. he saw that the breast of the stone from an high, and that in addition her appearance was graceful and her voice was beautiful. Jala jokkas rupana jala dengan suara IBP 68M. Ajana 22.3 also used copulatively, e.g. by Pitohido ubay na so dapot sa hatak-hutakon tabanon na ajana mate parangan na hubunu hami pitu IBP 258B. It is because I was in the right that he has not been able to conquer my village, and that we have killed 7 of his warriors. Ia outpe bosugro hami ajana mangan hogbodi baiko IBP 209 FB. The most so snow because we are shattered and moreover have been regaled by you with buffalo meat CF IBP 1911 FP. There uses jana, which is sometimes explanatory and can be translated with for indeed, e.g. please tell us what can we occupy or amuse ourselves with. Jana melongo su dengango siya kabiteruh ena IBP 1411 FP. For we here below still feel lonely. Otherwise is in Toba, e.g. menter muida jelma sada ibagasan bulu idi na ibulu dinari anak perana embelgad jana cengkar tempana IBP 25-110. Thereupon he saw a man coming from that bamboo, a young man and adult whose form was beautiful. CFRB 184-13. P 197, 113 and 118. Jana kono mangani toko riyar sisi puluh idi jana aku menjunjung kono kepekan IBP 278T. Not only have you eaten what was bought with those 10 reals, but I have also got to carry you on my head. Siap IBP 199 111 FB. AP concessive, and the clause beginning with it is a following one, e.g. molo jadi dodo honon iba na punasa ape inda iba na punasa hami matalu bainommu IBP 86 111. If it is lawful to say that one is the owner of it, though one is not, then may we be vanquished by you. Haumam do itehe jonaha haumani nasahutaon pinani hatam hubegi dotian hari araon ape di rumah hamuna nama hata inon IBP 298 IBP 293 12 FB. Certainly the feet of all the inhabitants of this village are yours, Jonaha, for you have said so. I have heard it from this victory. Though you people who made the agreement were in the village, Agia is another concessive conjunction, the clause with which it begins a preceding one, e.g. Agia Songoni Saidiau Ganaganami, IBP 307 115 FP. Although these two, I must have those images from you. Another example, Dictionary. Agia is used before interrogatives, e.g. Indang adong na olo agia ise manuok tobon. Is there not even more person who will buy this sugarcane? Just as akka 58.3, it is placed before a preposition, e.g. Yadong olo awagia tuise, I will not belong to anyone, i.e. I will not be a wife to anyone. CF 164.411. Concession can also be expressed by P 165 or by a particular form of the passive 115.3a. Mandaling hash bagi 147 150 7M, e.g. bagi ise IBP 218.14, bagi ha IBP 216.14 and 118 FB. Dari sus KCP, e.g. si pangan mango KCP malo si beto si metasak IBP 97M. Let us see it, even though we don't know who has prepared it. See also IBP 147 184 Nomu and Nola with P C158 5D and 23D. Dari also uses HP dari si, e.g. HP kudoken na sadekah na idi kuelek-elek kono bangkuningku jelma muena malo idue kono IBP 31T. Though I have always tried to persuade you in a friendly manner, suggesting that your wife should be mine, you have not consented. Hape mati pe aku ibakin kono, kiam lot si betoh-betohan menghukum kita kiamkan. IBP 167T. Even if I was to be killed by you, may someone who is qualified pass judgment on us. Salah or asala, translation if only, provided that, so that. It is often used with namana 158.14. Asala sai namana utakidiho IBP 209.12. So that my debt to you may be settled. Asala na hupabua diho patang di utop tainon IBP 209.18 FB. Provided that I have told you the prohibition with regard to the use of that blowpipe of yours. CF also 158.14. Sala or asala is also used with dung IBP 199 113 FB and with nunga IBP 173.12. Iya, a conditional word that is often used before two contrasting causes, e.g. ia pinaboa menjadi hai laut, ia so pinaboa, etc. Ia pidisat botakotana, ia tinalik, etc. 115.3. It is frequently placed before dung 115.3 and nunga si e.g. ia nunga hujalo pokpangmu naon IPV 257.15 FP. Now that I've accepted your workpang, etc. Sometimes it is used before nungi IBP 259.14 FP. Ia is also used like Anggo 165 before a subject which comes first, e.g. Thereupon the prince asks, what must I say, O Kulot? What you have got to say, O prince, is, etc. Ia sidohonomu gajanami IBP 33.17. The word before which it is placed is often in contrast to another one which precedes 141, e.g. after his request to take the battle and has been refused, he said, this battle that is full with birds' droppings, may I then take that? Ia namarte pidongon jadi dohu buat IBP 49M CFRB P50 12. It is clear that ia is really only an exclamation that precedes the statement by way of a lead-in order to express a transposition to something different, by way of a lead-in in order to express a transposition to something different from what has been said previously. In IBP 69.1 AFP, it is used as a means of introducing again a person who has not been mentioned for some time. See also 165.8. Mandaling Sanga 147 and Bo as disjunctive conjunctions, e.g. jadi dilehen burui ma sangan naomon sangan naloyang naso maribak do sanga awang ko pangnipian. Thereupon the girl gives a breastcloth of a bracelet. It is immaterial which as a pangnipian, i.e. a thing on account of which the bridegroom should dream. Bo anak ni bayo-bayo bo, anak ni suhu na dari maribag piyohon magtadang ak someone either from the bayo-bayo or the suhu to come, it does not matter which. Tabiyo tai 3116 note 2 alai C155M. Jadi is used to connect two actions that follow each other. Example C159 to it as a means of indicating a sequel. IBP 136.15 rakon o rokon sot the hoti and not mandaling e.g. jalai madiau baliyung rakon ribas. IBP 136.13 try to get me a baliyung and a rimbas abay ubay na e.g. nagyot bununia maau abay ditanom iya au tuson. IBP 194M. He was to kill me, and for that reason he has buried me here. CF IBP 162 114 FP. Aco and so asa iji iman so tabuang au to harangan situ madunon. IBP 131 3. That's why I've been cast as it were into this wilderness. Nada binatarasak ko aku so mati ko so mati. IBP 2514. You can anymore prevent my dying. Balut ko now to BDI. Aco buat di hola chat. IBP 56. Prevent my dying. Balut ko now to BDI. Aco buat di hola chat. IBP 56 116. Wipe me up in that mat so that I may take chat for you. CF also 158 2M. Dung buse is used instead of dukotsa above 7. Isikop daw mulak tung buse dapat au hagpui. IBP 213B. As soon as I have got the buffalo, I'll come back quickly. In Mandarin, an interrogative sentence with which the sentence beginning with a choice is connected is often omitted. E.g., her father asked her, "What's the reason, my dear, that you've been so long in the lower world?" At chololot ko inang di luban di bata di togo. IBP 260 to 17 FP. Conjunctive at first of time are sindorang iji sidorang huduk au maridi di takom banggarang guring biguanaku. IBP 293 19 FB. Why I had turned round to bed, the spirit have stole my child from me. CFIB 211 16 FB. Tagan IBP 214 16 FB and Tagan usually used with a negative, so e.g. ulang jolo dibunuh siaji urang madoba ningisida yang ratio mas Tagan soro iya IBP 31 4 FB. May the prince urang madoba may not kill such the lady until she has arrived. Dung here also is used an after clause, e.g. hupadoho dungo dihuta. As soon as you come into the village, I shall welcome you by entertaining you. Apot has the same meaning as sanga 147M and betak 148 to 20M. E.g. May ibana aco ditadai amu apot adong di dahamu alak nagumatal disia aco diboto hamu mangora alaki. IBP 238 16. There he is, so that you people may know him, and should you see someone molesting him, I hope that you may know how to withstand that one. Namanya apa yodo hami apot dilehe ko do iboto midi etc. IBP 239 15. We have come to ask you if you would be willing to give your sister to etc. Apot is also used, as well as muda in an after clause if by means of buse. The preceding clause indicates the future, e.g. usapai buse apot lo busau I shall ask it when I arrive. Ubaboa pe buse apot lo busau I shall say it as soon as I arrive, which can also be a upaboa pe buse muda lo busau etc. In the South Bulus IBP 111 16 P P250-1 is used instead of P262 in the north. There is also Manigol. Ja instead of Jaha is also used as a conditional conjunction. See also 165-1.
Diary often uses asa before a substantival clause, and the reason for the thing expressed in such a clause is then mentioned in the clause following, e.g. asa kudokan bagi di kataku IBP 164-111 that I speak thus is because if you are well disposed towards me and release me, I shall protect you, etc. Aku asa roh aku mi bagasena Lot ngo bagahankanku habaru IBP 159-1 as far as I am concerned, the reason that I've come into this house is that there is something I have to say to you. Asa is also used before a crafted clause in which something is mentioned of which the clause is asked in the preceding clause. It is also used with mahancha, umbahena 151-8D. And for the rest, as in Toba, e.g. kasamo kono dekah asaro, peasa malele ko asaro. Why have you been so long in coming? Kade mo tangkiridbu bibagasena asaro kono, IBP 69-1-17. What is it that you are looking for in this house that you have come? Bakin di bayna, e.g. takbakin lot ngo dosamu asa jupang jebak ni deba kono IBP 163-1-3. Perhaps it is because you have committed the one or the other offense that you have been caught by in somebody traps here. Kembali 39 ops. Jadi iji kembali malot sau ipertinoko si Raja Uen tinoko orang kaya tua IBP 175-1-2 so that RU did such in using as wife the wife of orang kaya tua, tapi is used in Mandailing IBP 186-1-3 dekat dohot, but it can also connect clauses iji kudokan midukut embagas idi ipetula dingku kabing na idi samura besuk katingkum kabing na idi dekat asalot katingku lenggem nai ikerang-kerangan idi IBP 186M. I told him to drive his goats into the thick grass, so that I thought they would be easily satisfied, and so I thought it would be so shady for him. Usually, however, it connects two substantives as the subjects of one predicate, e.g. kencat tasaknakan dekat jukut sini pertasak na idi IBP 227-1-9. When the rice and the meat they had prepared for was cooked, etc. Bangku mokrina sa nasaugasanmu dekat hambamu dekat bagasmu di IBP 230-1-19 FB. Then to me must be accrue all your property, your steps and your house. The use of the other was is that of Dohot in Toba, e.g. rendes dekat mu dan the rain also pelted down. Kencanari RB, e.g. kencanari ngorol orang kaya tua mi kutaina RB P64T, since orang kaya tua has come into this village ketikana while, e.g. ketikana mada idi mo i rumah orang kaya tua IBP 66 while orang kaya tua was in the house. Where a conjunction is suppressed, a malot is sometimes used instead of malot, e.g. ulang ro pusuhmu a malot umbuwe ku entatken pola kono jana citok mungkin ngolai pola kurung don't be angry because the palm wine that I've brought with me for you is not much, for a dwarf palm tree gives only a little fruit. In diary, a substantival clause is not introduced by C as the equivalent of na 149. It is often introduced by the subjects being placed at the beginning of it, e.g. isukutkan mo, ia merubat, etc. IBP 183B. He thought that he had a car, etc. C 158-9D.